Assalamualaikum teman-teman, kembali lagi di channelku, Muhajirin Manusia Gagal Ganteng dan Terancam Kaya.
I don't mind you f***ing her. It's one of the perks. But she has to understand the consequences if she disappoints me. Are we clear?
Of course, Sonny.
You're not getting attached, are you? A man of your caliber?
You don't need to worry about that.
I hope not. Wait, come in. Have a drink. You ever f*** some famous pussy, Way?
Not yet. Maybe one day.
It's a trip, man, let me tell you. You drive by one of those billboards the size of a building, and you tell yourself, I'm going to her place, bend her over the table, and then you do it. There's no other feeling like it.
Yeah, okay. Speaking of stars, I need to go pick up Vivian.
Let Way do it. You and I have more business to discuss. How about it, Way? Think you can handle a smoking hot starlet for the day?
Sure, as long as Ricky doesn't think I'm moving in on his territory.
Nah, of course not. Here, take my car.
You take good care of my little starlet. Go ahead and if you want. Just don't damage the goods.
Look at this stuff. How can you say no?
Who are you?
I'm Way. Ricky sent me. Didn't he tell you?
No, I was expecting Ricky.
Everything okay?
Everything is not okay. Is it wrong of me to want to see my boyfriend? Why do I have to put up with this?
No, Vivi, it's not wrong. And you put up with it because Ricky loves you. But
But what?
since your boyfriend isn't driving, I get to sit in front. Why are the bad ones always so good looking? I'm Sandra. What's your name again?
It's Way. Ricky talks about him a lot.
Oh, all nice things, I'm sure. And you're here to basically do whatever we want?
Something like that. What do you have in mind?
Do you have steady hands at high speeds?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, I can provide references if you like.
Are you trying to talk him into one of those street races you always go on about?
So what's the deal, Way? You a gangster like Ricky?
He's not a gangster, don't say that.
Let's say I'm as much of a gangster as Ricky.
That's too bad. Recently, I've wanted to date a gangster.
Well, maybe I'll see if I can find one for you.
That would be nice. What's Ricky doing anyways? Why is he too busy?
I don't know. Something with Sonny.
Sonny? That guy's a creep and a perv. Sorry, baby.
It's okay.
What? What'd he do?
Nothing. But he tried. I was at a party on Wallace Chung's yacht. I was like, 16. That's him. Pull up. Hi, Alex. How are you?
This is your new boyfriend?
Not yet. Why? Are you jealous?
Of this guy?
Hey, so Sandra says you like to race. How about it? Now, if you win, I'll let you take the girls home.
Way?
I'm not sure how much that's worth. Okay, we race for the girls and 100,000.
Sure, I'll take your money too.
You racing with the girls in your car? The extra weight will slow you down, idiot.
Think of it as your head start, Alex. Because you're gonna need it.
Think of it as your head start. 呢條粉腸你唔好帶我啊！ I'll show him.
This is gonna be great. All right. Vivi and I won't talk. You know how to drive.
Oh my god, my heart's beating so fast. Is that the police? I don't want to get arrested. That could be really bad.
You are out of control. I like it.
Shit! Sweet! Oh my god, my heart is beating so fast.
Wait.
Steady hands. Gotta give you that.
Thanks.
Oh, get a room, you two.
The police!
Oh, cops, perfect.
The police!
The police? Are they after us? Oh no!
Don't worry, it'll be fine. Wait.
Yeah, it'll be fine. Don't worry.
Oh, you lost him, thank god.
Nice work, Way.
You're driving us home, right?
Of course. Well, unless Sandra has some other exciting plan.
I'm all excited out. But you can take me for a drive anytime.
I might just take you up on that.
Oh, get a room, you two.
I think that's a bit later.
Oh, that's it, just over there.
That was fun, Way. Thanks.
Anytime.
Vivi, give Way my number and tell him he can take me out on a second date.
Sandra says you can take her on a second date if you want.
Yeah, I got that. Thanks.
Thanks for taking us out today.
It was my pleasure.
Anna, I need your help.
Yeah, sure. What's going on?
My friend Katushka, she's gone missing. Nobody's seen her in a week. Katushka doesn't have a visa. She's illegal. Girls like her go missing all the time, but usually they don't have anywhere to go for help.
I'll check it out.
Would you? Oh, thank you.
Oh.
I can't believe you're arguing. Our anniversary.
You're the one with the sore feet.
Hey, what can I do for you? Boy, don't go too crazy on this one, man. The suspect is needed for questioning. Keep that in mind.
I have the suspect in custody.
Kind of you to join me. Care for some tea? Like, 飲啲茶.
Thank you.
Tu Jin Sao seems to be getting very comfortable in his new position as temporary chairman. Too comfortable. I hear that he is already planning to make it permanent, should Uncle Po not recover.
Big Smiley will kill him before he'll let that happen.
Indeed. And that would allow Lee to take over the Sun On Yi himself.
But that can't happen.
No, it cannot. Tu Jin must go. Dan Hai, he must not be removed by force. He must step down on his own, after which there will be an election.
Why would he step down?
Tu Jin likes heroin. So far, he has managed to control his habit. Dan Hai, anyone who indulges as he does lives permanently on the brink of an abyss. Nah, I've arranged for the quality of his supply to improve, and now you will give him a nudge over the edge.
Okay. How?
He's an immensely superstitious man. 好迷信㗎, obsessed with feng shui. He cannot bear to have the slightest thing out of place for fear of the misfortune it will bring.
And you want me to...
Make sure his luck turns bad. Very bad.
I like your style. I will.
Hey, what's your problem, kid? Mrs. Chang want you to talk to me.
Hey, you broken noses guy?
Mrs. Chang said you were gonna do some home decoration. She told me to tag along, give you feng shui advice. Feng shui, ah! A lot of people live by it. Feng shui is huge in Hong Kong.
You believe that?
Yeah. I've been spending a lot of time reading about ghosts and the supernatural. Want to make sure nobody I killed can hurt me. You know what I mean?
Goodbye, Mr. Chow. Have a nice day.
Right on schedule. Usually goes gambling at this time. Two Chin loses money fast. We better hurry up. How do we get into that gate?
We'll find a way in. Come on.
Okay.
Are you trespassing? I'll call the police.
Wait. You think we can get over the wall at the neighbor?
Yeah, hello? Who's this?
We got a delivery for you?
Really? My husband didn't tell me. He better not have ordered something stupid from the internet again.
Wow. You got all kinds of skills, don't you, kid? Reminds me of myself when I was your age, but less salty. I think you're smarter, but probably not as tough. Oh, I pulled a muscle. Ew. I didn't even know I had a muscle there. It hurts like hell. Maybe I'll get a massage after this.
Hey, don't be creepy.
What? You never heard of a grand massage? Like a real one, not a sex one. Happens all the time. Just as any professional athlete.
So, how's business?
To be honest, son, yeah? Pretty damn shitty.
Really? What happened?
I'm taking a break from the import-export gig.
How come?
Something went wrong. I don't really want to talk about it.
All right, suit yourself.
What the hell do you think you're doing?
The boss's dog got out. We don't find it before he comes back, and heads will roll.
Oh, shit. I haven't seen it. in through that gate.
Wait here. I'll open the gate from the inside.
Wait. Open from the back here.
Come on.
Wow, you're pretty and talented.
What?
I say you're pretty talented.
Oh, okay, sure. You too, Salty.
Hey, you want me to kick the door down? Hurry up, kid. I think I see a guard. Wow, silly. Will you look at this place? Man, if I were him, I'd spend my money differently.
All right, Salty. You're the expert. What are we doing?
Attend you, huh? Well, with this stuff to make it seem like there's ghosts that don't like him.
What about those vases?
Good idea. Maybe just leave 4. 4 is an unlucky number because the word sounds the same as death in Chinese.
I know 4 is bad, but shouldn't we try something else? We're some pretty unoriginal ghosts.
Okay, let's keep going. That thing there is supposed to bring good luck. If it disappears, well, that's not good luck.
But he really buys into this hocus pocus shit?
You can't blame the guy. 2 Chins got more money than taste. Wait. See that clock? Set the time 4:44 and unplug it. That'll freak him out. 4:44.
Yeah, this could work.
Oh yeah, this feng shui is now. Turn the piano so it faces the wrong way. I help, but I pull my grand climbing over the wall. Hai la, my crotch isn't what it used to be. Matala. Got him up. I think we're done here. Old 2 Chin's gonna freak. Either he think ghosts with him, or he knows his home isn't secure.
Mr. Chow, is that you? Anybody in there?
What do we do?
Just hide. Stay calm.
Did they leave the gate open when they left? Wait! Anybody in there?
Hey, is everything okay there?
Looks like Mr. Chow forgot to close his gate again.
I'm gonna get something to eat. You want anything?
You ordering food from the Golden Koi soon? I'll be right down.
They're gone. Come on.
Gage, 2 Chin loses his money fast. We better hurry up. Ayya, deal! There's a camera.
Looks like we're on camera.
God, Tana. I hate how everyone got security cameras everywhere.
I already took care of that thing.
Oh, I think he's home. Get down.
Those cards must have been rigged. I never had a game like that before. Never. 我從來未試過咁㗎. Why did you stop me? It's your job to protect me, isn't it? Rodents, all of you. What is this? Look at this. How can you let this happen? It's all gone to shit. Gone to shit.
What do you want us to do, boss?
Get out. Get out. I need to think. 出去啊!
Wait, the guard left their car. Let's check it. Wait. Let's take the guard's car.
Nice.
Ah, damn well. I always wanted to get myself one of these.
One of these? Really?
Ah, yeah, okay, bad idea.
You're a strange guy, oh salty crab.
Thanks. That means a lot to me.
Hurry up! I've been waiting for you for hours.
Nice work, kid. You got the old salty style. Here comes in. See you later, kid.
Oh, salty style. Hello.
Wei,
Miss Chang. How are you?
Uncle Po. He's dead. We're making arrangements for the funeral.
Things could get,
Complicated. Yes. I'll be in touch.
Of course. Whatever you need.
Wait, right?
Who are you?
Dr. Tang, I build tech for the Sun On Yi. I'm trying out a new tracking device. Can you give me a hand?
What do you need?
I put the tracker on a test package. I need you to see if you can follow it as it flows down the sewers.
The sewers?
Yeah, if it works, we can move drug and guns this way.
Yeah, sure.
No need to carry anything that will get you arrested. You just drop in wherever you are and pick it up where you need it.
Dr. Tang, I followed the package. The transmitter stopped moving.
Excellent. Thanks, Wei. This show our tech could really work.
You're about to listen to Flight from the Cinematic Orchestra here on British Radio 4.
What the hell? Are you kidding? Hey, wait, are you controlling this thing? This thing's like remote control.
Someone hacked the auto drive system. Hang on. The car's driving itself, Wei. It's programmed to get you to your destination safely.
Why did it kick in now?
It's programmed to identify incoming threats and take over driving duty so you're free to defend yourself.
Free to...
I've armed the guns remotely. They're ready to fire.
Clear shot!
next thing I'm working on. I'm trying to put a GPS tracker into fake fingernails. Wait, I need you to come pick me up. I programmed the destination into your GPS.
You bastards, come and get it! My guns are bigger than yours, little punk! Okay, fine.
Jesus!
How's your insurance, punk?
Hiya!
Is that your grandmother's car? Learn to drive, book guy.
Ah!
Bring it on!
Hurry up!
My guns are bigger than yours, little punk!
What's taking so long? Are you still there?
Oh, you wanna play that way? Okay, fine. How's your insurance, punk?
Come on, Shen. You have the world's greatest car. What's the holdup? Careful!
Is that your grandmother's car?
Jesus! Hiya!
Jangan lupa subscribe, like, komen, dan share, juga nyalakan loncengnya, agar kalian tidak ketinggalan. Sekian dan terima kasih, dan nantikan video selanjutnya.